Welcome to our channel. You are watching Knowledge TV. This video explores the complex art of making decisions. Examining the variables that impact decisions, we traverse the psychology underlying choices, from minor daily conundrums to pivotal events in life. Join us, as we will tell you. What are the 3 things that you should remember whenever you make a decision or think about doing something? Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We are going to tell you about 3 things to be considered before taking any decision. Number 1. Clarity of goals. Goals clarity is crucial while making decisions. It acts as a light of guidance, directing decisions towards significant results. Decisions lose their purpose and become random in the absence of defined objectives. A framework for weighing options and coordinating actions with intended outcomes is provided by defined goals. Moreover, specific objectives encourage dedication and drive since people are more inclined to exert effort when the outcome is clear. Essentially, having well-defined objectives serves as a compass that guides choices toward achievement and contentment. 2. Risk assessment. A comprehensive risk assessment is essential. Evaluate the potential risks and benefits associated with each option. Each decision carries inherent uncertainties and potential consequences. Evaluating both short-term and long-term impacts allows for a nuanced understanding of the associated risks and benefits. This analytical approach empowers individuals to make informed choices that align with their tolerance for risk. 3. Personal values alignment. Ensure that the decision aligns with your core values and principles. Choices that resonate with an individual's core principles foster a sense of authenticity and fulfillment. Making choices that resonate with your beliefs contributes to a sense of fulfillment and minimizes internal conflicts over time. Ensuring that decisions align with deeply held beliefs minimizes internal conflicts and promotes a harmonious life journey. In summary, before embarking on any significant decision, individuals should strive for goal clarity, conduct a thorough risk assessment, and ensure alignment with personal values. This holistic approach equips individuals with the tools needed to navigate life's complex decision-making landscape. Thanks for watching.